n8n 2.0 drops December 15th, and if you're running n8n right now, you need to watch this video. I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to show you the exact tool n8n built to help you prepare. It's called the Migration Report, and in this video, I'll show you how to use it so your workflows don't break when you upgrade. Here's the situation. n8n 2.0 is a major release focused on security and reliability. That's great news, but it means some things work differently now. I'll put the link to the list of breaking changes in the description. Net, you might have issues after upgrading. The good news, n8n tells you exactly what's wrong before you upgrade. That's what the migration report does. All right, let's look at the migration report. It exists in your settings and does not require you to be on n8n 2.0. Go to Settings and click Migration Report. The tool has two tabs, Workflow Issues and Instance Issues. Workflow issues are problems in specific workflows, like a code node using process.env or using a removed node. Instance issues are things like your database type or binary data mode. These affect your whole setup. Each issue has a severity level. Throughout critical, medium, and low, start with critical issues. Click into a workflow to see exactly which nodes have problems. Let me show you how this works in practice. Here's my migration report. I've got one workflow issue flagged. It is a node named Get Credentials Data, which is used to read and write files on the same computer running n8n. As you can see, it is now disabled in n8n 2.0. This is the detail for the limitation. You may want to pause and read this over. In order to allow access to files, you'll need to update your environmental files or create a new destination for the files you'd like to interact with. In this example, I had only one workflow with migration issues. That said, in my other n8n instances, I have many more workflows that need to be reviewed and updated. As you can imagine, preparing for 2.0 will take some time and planning. I suggest focusing on the most critical workflows and issues and work your way down from there. This is the page that lists all the breaking changes in n8n 2.0. Link to the page is in the descriptions. Before you upgrade, review the following action plan. 1. Back up everything before upgrading. 2. Open the migration report in Settings. 3. Fix critical issues first, then medium, then low. 4. Check your n8n version. Upgrade to 2.0.0 if you have updated the items from the migration report and are ready to do so. 5. Upgrade after December 15th when stable releases. n8n 2.0 is actually a great release. Better security, better performance, and that new publish save workflow is going to save you from accidental deployments. I'll link the official docs below. If you run into issues, drop a comment or join the FreeWatt AI community. Link is in the description. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. I make n8n tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time.